Okay, guys. So this is another part of the vlog, and this is probably gonna be more about vehicles and financial stuff. So I hope you guys like it. First, he has a motorbike. I have a motorbike. He has a car.
And not a license.
Still waiting for the big roads to get open. Damn it. Damn
Nice car,
virus.
car,
That's,
license.
that's COVID.
Yeah.
I hate
8
it.
years गाड़ी चलाने के बाद इसका license cancel हो गया. Okay, so now the topic is about to have a car or to have a motorbike. What do you guys think?
I would say buying a car is much.
Depending on where you're staying. If you're staying in Melbourne, then I don't think you need a car
Yeah.
because you have public transport 24/7.
Yeah.
But if you're in Geelong or any
But
apart
like
from
that-
Melbourne, anywhere,
Even in Melbourne, it's like limited to inner circle, like
Yeah, inner
CBD
circle.
area.
Yeah,
But like
it's
if you move out to Townwood, Finlandale, or any of those farther
Yeah.
suburbs, you still need
You
car
need it.
or something like that to travel easy.
Exactly.
But given the weather conditions, I would say car is much better and reliable option. But still, like getting license and stuff, it's I would say it's pretty expensive in comparison with having a car.
Like if you have a motorbike license from India itself, तो तू convert करा ना सीधा, फिर कुछ खर्चा ही नहीं है.
I didn't know that.
हाँ,
you can convert.
obviously.
So even
उसमें क्या होता है कि जो लाइसेंस का यहाँ के लिए प्रोसीजर है, there are like 3 steps for that.
okay.
For conversion, I guess there's only
One
one step,
exam देने का
one
बस.
assessment.
So even like if I have an Indian license which says like I can drive motorcycles with gears,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can straight away convert it.
Yeah. Obviously, if we have an Indian license, for उसके भी conditions है. If Indian license should be at least 3 years old, उसके बाद ही you can convert your license over here in Australia. उसके बिना it's not possible.
If it's not 3 years old, तो तुमको वो provisional देंगे.
Like you have to
it
go.
will be provisional license.
Yeah, but that's उसका कोई restriction नहीं है. Direct green P मिलेगा.
So I would agree कि car is a better option over here in Australia because जो weather conditions है, wind speeds है in Australia, I've seen like 33-35 kilometers per hour speed पे wind speed होता है M1 पे, that is basically a state highway, and with our motorbikes it's difficult, but still we manage to drive on it.
You have to get a practice. You can't get
Exactly.
a scooter or
Exactly.
Moped.
moped. Like
Yeah.
scooter.
Yeah.
Roommate, he drives moped, but like he's always complaining about the winds and drags that he experiences while on the road.
Yeah, the wind blast is
Yeah.
very bad because wind blast literally hits on your face and can also pull you back. That is worse
So there are
sometimes.
two winds have like 2 types. One is like direct wind, and other is if a truck is coming from
Yeah.
the other direction,
Or
and
in the
wind is
same
at the same time,
Yep.
then you can get a little wavy.
Divert. Wavy. Yeah. So getting a car also is not easy. It requires at least 2 months, 1 month to find a good car.
Come on, nah, it depends.
How much did you pay for your car?
I paid $4,000.
तो
In
उतने
and out.
मैंने उतने का बाइक खरीदा है, उसने उतने का कार खरीदा है. So that's the price I can say, $4,000 for a Toyota Corolla 2000.
2003.
2003
And
model.
locals, Yeah, it was a very good deal that I got.
Yeah, a 2003 Toyota Corolla with how much mileage on it?
I think it had 140,000.
140,000. That's pretty good actually. And I bought a 2013 motorbike Kawasaki, which had around 8K on it. So we got a pretty good deal on it. And
I got a new bike.
he got a new motorbike.
That was also 4,000, but not Yamaha. It's an Australian company.
Kawasaki.
Yeah, fuck.
Insult!
Yeah,
I would
But-
say buy a car.
Yeah.
Always.
but still, they're
It's
like a lot of
recommended to buy a car because मेरे batch में मैंने जितना देखा है, there are very less number of people who have a motorbike, like around 4 I can say. That's
There's
all.
a ratio, like in Australia, they're 97%, 90% they are cars, 7% is LMV, the trucks and trailers,
Okay.
and there's 3% bikes.
Okay.
And even in 3%, most of the people they have just for passion or they ride only on weekends and
Or on
usually in
sunny
summers.
days.
Yeah, on
yeah.
summers. So they
Yeah.
you'll
So they're
find-
very rare you find people using motorbikes.
You have to be very careful while riding a bike because the ratio is less. People don't really see the cars.
Yeah.
So you
वो
keep seeing
blind
the
spot
bikes.
में आ जाता है.
But then again, yeah, you need to understand like how the traffic works here.
Yeah.
Like, see, bikes are very small in that sense, and the roads, like most of the highways in Australia, they don't have any lights on them. So with that, given that condition with climatic conditions, if it's raining, it's really difficult for anyone to see even a car coming from far distance. So I would say not seeing a bike is, there are pretty high chances
So
of
if you're staying in
getting hit by a
Melbourne
car.
CBD or Sydney CBD,
Yeah.
it's okay. You can get a
Oh
bike.
yeah,
You-
that's one
really
thing. That's
good.
one thing. That's
really
the only
good.
reason why I would suggest not to buy a car. Like the parking tickets are very expensive.
And if you're doing Uber Eats and if you want a job,
तो
and want to do
वही
this
वही होता है.
delivery,
Like I went
CBD
to
में तुम करो बहुत पैसे है.
सीबीडी में ऑब्वियसली बाइक का पार्किंग फटक से मिल जाता है
और यहाँ पे
तू
पार्किंग
जैसे उतर और तेरे को ऐसा डिलीवरी आता है
यहाँ पे पार्किंग का कोई बाइक के
Exactly,
पार्किंग का
can-
कोई चार्जेस नहीं. यू कैन पार्क इट एनीवेयर.
park it
On the
anywhere
footpath.
unless and until it's not disrupting public flow and any amenities, basically like electric poles or electric boxes.
Yeah, I think in Melbourne it is Melbourne or Sydney somewhere it is like they charge $10 per hour for car parking, which is very expensive if you are in
Yeah.
CBD area.
Because there are
$10
the
is minimum.
parking
You
lots.
can get
Yeah.
they are like parking like $30-$35 per hour.
So
People take weekly passes for the parking because वो parking lots में park करना पड़ता है every time you get
कुछ
there.
लोग तो वो स्टारनेट सनशाइन पार्क
हाँ,
कर देते हैं.
रेलवे स्टेशन
रेलवे स्टेशन इज फ्री.
तो
रेलवे स्टेशन इज यू स्टेशन पे
Yeah.
पार्किंग बड़ा होता है.
Exactly.
But like other than CBD area,
So
car
that's
parking is very
It's
easy.
not
that's one of the reasons why I would prefer a motorbike because parking fines are pretty hefty.
Nah, not just the fines. Not just
Parking
the fines, the
fees.
parking fees itself. But
Parking
like
fees.
still you get there are equal chances of making mistakes while parking. That's what I'm saying.
नहीं, but that's what I'm
it
saying.
depends. You have to watch your eyes for the parking officer.
हाँ, तो we
अगर
don't
वो दूर है
bikes
तो
are
करो जो करना है.
तो bike के slots there are very less in Geelong itself. So bike, if you're buying a bike basically in Australia, so the first thing I would recommend is go for a heavy bike. With the wind speed, it's heavy and very difficult to drive. Around 600cc and 650cc bikes, they pretty much hold the road. और रास्ते पे एकदम smoothly चलेगा. Yeah, even with a 33 km/h wind, it's difficult to ride.
You can go if you want a cheaper bike. You can go from 350 to 500 is still fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
600 तो जा सकते हैं 600. But if you want
It's expensive.
expensive. लेकिन 350 500 में भी चलेगा. 500 तक भी चलता है.
कार के बारे में कुछ बोलो आप.
कार मैं सजेस्ट
Selection,
करूंगा. हाँ,
how-
मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा go for a Toyota or
Hyundai.
Nissan or Mazda.
Yeah.
Mazdas are really good here. क्योंकि Mazda का सीन ऐसा ना कि वो it's like similar to Indian Maruti.
Yeah.
I can compare it. क्योंकि हर mechanic is well versed with those issues for the cars.
Holden कभी मत लेना.
हाँ, Holden we had another good one I would say is Honda.
Honda is good.
Yeah.
Hyundai or Honda.
Yeah.
First preference is Toyota.
Basically any of the Japanese car.
And
Yeah.
Toyota, you can get you should get Yaris. Should be your first preference. Yaris.
If you love small cars.
Yeah, if you love small cars, and it's really economical and cheap, and
Yeah.
it
Good
has a lot of
mileage, I
space.
12 liters per kilometer. Not bad, I can say.
Yeah, that's with the Corolla as well. Like
Yeah.
if you go with Corolla, it's 11.
urban में रहते हैं तो तू विद इन सिटी लिमिट्स ही रहेगा ज्यादातर.
अगर देखो यार तुम मेलबर्न में ही रहने वाले हो CBD एरिया में तो गाड़ी लेने का क्यों मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि
मेरे
फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक you have to pay registration fees every 3 months which is around $200.
ज्यादा
नहीं $200.
$200
$200.
मेरे लिए कम है.
अपने लिए कम है. अच्छा.
सो हर 3 महीने में वो $200 तुम भर रहे हो रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए. उसके ऊपर तुम मेंटेनेंस करोगे, पेट्रोल चार्जेस, पार्किंग चार्जेस, फिर टोल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इफ यू आर विद इन द CBD लिमिट्स prefer trams or public transport. The only reason I had to purchase a car क्योंकि मेरे जॉब टाइमिंग्स वैसे थे. I was working
और
overnight shifts.
CBD में रहने का एक
तो
फायदा है कि गाड़ी की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि जॉब तुमको नजदीक में मिल जाती है.
Yeah, buying car. Toyota is the first preference. उसके बाद
Yeah.
Hyundai, Honda.
Toyota के साथ सीन ये है कि the company itself gives you a warranty on mileage about 300,000 kilometers.
It's-
Second hand Toyotas also people are selling like 400,000, 300,000 here. Like pretty good engine is.
Exactly.
उतना अच्छा इंजन उसका चलता है टोयोटा का. इतना
देखो
smooth.
थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव लगेगा at the start because you have to pay like
Yeah.
$4,000 for a
Yeah,
2003 model or
Don't.
2004
But it's
model.
worth it. If
But
you-
it's
Disclaimer:
worth it,
don't ever you
If
buy
you-
a car for $2,000 or $1,500. If they're selling for $2,000, पक्का उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकता है.
If you want to buy
Depends
a
on the
car,
car.
there are like few prerequisites. Like the car needs to have RWC, That's
Roadworthy
a roadworthy
certificate.
certificate. And it should be 1 month old.
Yeah, it should be within 1 month.
Within
Yeah,
1 month.
within 1 month old. Yeah.
It basically says that the car is good to
Drive on the roads.
It doesn't have any problems.
Yeah. Exactly.
So first thing I would say is जैसे हम इंडिया में गाड़ी सेकंड हैंड परचेस करते हैं सेम रूल्स यहाँ पे भी है. It's nothing new or nothing different. तुम गाड़ी ले रहे हो, तुम अपने मैकेनिक को बताओ. That is the first thing. Always get your car checked before purchasing.
It'll cost a bit more. Mechanic को दिखाने के लिए at least $100 something. But it's worth it. It's worth it. Rather you're putting $3,500 or
And you're gonna drive
$4,000.
that car for at least 3 years, 3
Exactly.
to 4 years. So
तुम इतना
Better
लाइफ
to
उस पे
have.
अभी दे रहे हो अपना like spending $4,000 $5,000 you're spending गाड़ी के ऊपर. Just go and show it to the mechanic once. That's better.
But yeah, prefer cars which are around in the range of $4,000 to or above.
Yeah.
5,000.
4 to 5, 6 is
Yeah, for the first car.
Yeah, for the first car, a second-hand car, not a first-hand, $4,000, not 4,000 rupees. First of all, I want to clear that. और 4 to 5 के बीच में we get a pretty good car, I can say.
Initially, I would say $2,000 is more than enough if you are coming for the first time to Australia.
2000 हाँ 2000 लेके आओ तो
Minimum.
2-3 महीने तो निकल जाएंगे.
They'll ask you to pay a bond of maybe 2 weeks prior या पूरे महीने का एक
Technically
bond
it's
होता है.
4 weeks.
4 week,
Or
yeah. Technically
by-
it's 4 week. अगर एक accommodations will also be pretty expensive, I can say. Around $150 to $170 या
minimum is
$200.
150.
One minimum is 150. Or if you're sharing a room, it will go around $100 as well. But
100 is average.
100 is an average.
100 में तुमको अच्छा मिल जाएगा शेयरिंग.
$100
लेकिन शेयरिंग में
हाँ 100 या $150 per week. So around महीने का $600 तुम्हारा ऐसे ही रेंट में जाता है without any bills. Bills as in water,
Like if you're
electricity,
talking about
Wi-Fi.
Melbourne CBD,
Yeah.
वो तो 150 शेयरिंग.
150 sharing, yeah.
Yeah, in Melbourne CBD 150 is sharing. But अगर मेलबर्न के कोई दूसरे suburbs या regional area में जाते हो विक्टोरिया के तो 150 is like the base fare. You can get a good room for yourself.
Yeah.
Like these guys are paying around 150, I can say. Around about getting an accommodation when you first land in Australia. Facebook, Gumtree, Flatmates, there are lots of websites online which help you go through the whole process. हमने भी वही किया है. It takes around 2 months, 3 months to get a good house. Secondly, getting a car in Australia or a motorbike, preferably a car. But if you're a motorbike enthusiast, I would recommend anything above 500. It will cost you a bit more, but it will be worth it. Thirdly, expenditures $2,000. $2,000 should be good enough. Beginning के लिए
For the first
monthly I would say you will be spending around $1,000 to
$1,000 is
$1,200
maximum.
Yeah.
per month.